ANC took a reckless and a wrong decision to remove Thabo Mbeki when he was left with a couple of months to get out of. Yes, it was a reckless decision. Why do you remove somebody who has not stolen from government, who was doing his job? You sit down, you remove him. What did he do? That's the man who was supposed to ask a question, then Zendo. He didn't. Mantashe arrived there, as the Secretary General told him, he left. He said, what time? He wrote a letter, addressed the press conference, left. Didn't fight over it, even though he had all the reasons. Then it triggered people to form an organization because something had visited them, losing power in Polokwane. You wake up, you were a national chair. You wake up the following day, you are nothing. I mean, you were Terra Likota, well-known, Robben Island, UDF, you're gone. Yeah, you wake up every day, you've got withdrawal syndromes. So what do? You form a political party. That political party is dying a natural death as we speak now.